So last week, on the 13th of January, probably the best short of the entire year. So we've been pretty much bearish on the S&P 500 or ES futures. And so I'm going to be breaking this down in terms of how I find my key levels, because this is the most asked question I get. And this is the first part of the story. How do I set my scene? So if I just show you a 15-minute chart of ES futures, right? This is before the market even opened. And so what am I looking for when the market opens, right? So this is Wednesday, the 13th of January. Now there's a few things right off the bat that I'm looking for. But before I do that, my basic way of finding a key level looks something like this. We want to see the market moving higher and giving us a sweep of previous day liquidity. That's what we get over here. And then we have a break to the downside. So this is where the short became real. This was the key level that we're looking for. So I have very strict criteria when it comes to finding key levels, right? This is where the story actually begins. Now, if you just take a look here on the 15-minute time frame, this is 8:30 Eastern. We had a news event over here. This news event extremely important for the key level because we have a fair value gap, right? This is the market leaving its fair value gap. So this red line over here, and then this red line over here. So between these two red lines, we have a fair value gap, an imbalance on the 15-minute time frame. Okay. Now, what I like to do with my key levels is I like to take the candle before the fair value gap, right? So I will take the candle before the fair value gap, and this is my key level, right? Now, again, what makes a key level for me, just without using order flow, right? Let me just change that to great. Without using order flow, right? What I look for specifically is a sweep of a previous day high or low. This is the most powerful combination. Sweep of the previous day high and a fair value gap. That's just from naked price action. No order flow, just naked price action, right? Now, once you have that in place, what you're now waiting for essentially is you're waiting for the market to come into this